If you need to change the country on your Namecheap account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your country in Namecheap quickly and correctly. This is useful if you've moved, changed your billing address, or simply need your account details to match your current location. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu and click Profile. This is where Namecheap stores your account information, including your personal details and primary address. From the Profile menu, select Personal Info. This will take you to the page where you can view and update your account information. Now scroll down until you find the Primary Address section. This is the part you need to edit if you want to change your country. Once you've located it, click Edit. Namecheap will open the address fields so you can make changes. Next, open the Country drop-down menu. From here, select your new country. Make sure you choose the correct one, because this information may be used for billing, account verification, and other account-related settings. After selecting the country, review the rest of your address details. If needed, update your state or province, city, zip or postal code, and street address. It's important that all of these details match your current location as closely as possible. If you're only changing the country, you may still need to adjust the other fields depending on how Namecheap formats addresses for that region. Before saving, take one final look at everything you entered. Double-check the spelling, the country selection, and all the address details to make sure nothing is missing or incorrect. This small step can help prevent issues later if Namecheap needs to verify your information. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Namecheap will then update your primary address with the new country and save your account details. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country in Namecheap. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.